If you're tired of constantly bending over or fighting floppy bags when you're raking leaves, then this solves that problem immediately. It lets you rake leaves straight in and dump them exactly where you want, whether that's over the fence, into a yard bag, or the trash, without the extra bending or mess. Right, so there's a few things I like about this. It comes in this little storage bag. It's really small, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. The other part I like about it is when you open it, so it pops up instantly, and then it stays open. So I like that it has these two handles, which makes it easy to carry. And then if you are going to put your leaves in a bag or in the trash bin, it's easy to aim and then put everything in there. And as you can see, it can hold a lot of leaves, sticks, debris. And when you're done, it folds flat into its own pouch, so it barely takes up any storage space. This material is really durable. It doesn't feel like it's just gonna fall apart right away, so you're not gonna have to get a new one after one use. And it's super lightweight. So if you're in the market for an easier, faster way to clean up leaves without having to constantly bend and wrestle with your bag, then you should definitely check this one out.